there. Welcome to another episode of Productive Homestead. Today, we're going to be going over the more recent additions. Last video we went to Tennessee and got the trailer. That was fun. I picked up a couple more pieces of equipment today, and we're going to go over it. So first is this. This is a Dodge 3500. It's a 1-ton, and I got it from a good friend of mine. He's helping me. He helped me out a lot, helped me get started. And yeah, and this is it. It's a good truck, real good truck. It pulled the trailer and the other thing that we're about to go look at. It pulled it with no problem. Real nice toolboxes there. Yeah, super cool. It's got some lights. There's a couple of lights that aren't working in the back. We're gonna get that fixed. That ain't no problem. And there's the trailer. I got her plugged in, keeping the battery up on it. And then here it is. Here's the other thing. It is a mini excavator. I've used it here. You've seen it on previous videos. This is it. It's a Wacker-Neuson. It's a 28, Z3. And but anyway, it's a miniature excavator. It's got a 2-foot bucket on it right now. I think there's also a 12 or an 18-inch bucket. I'm not sure that I got to go pick up still. But this is it, and she's good. And now I own it. So that's really exciting stuff. I'm very excited to put it to good use here. So, but anyway, so there's that, and of course it's got the thumb on it, and then we got this, this piece of wire here. That's what holds stuff together. That's how you know it's good. But anyway, so that's what we got so far, and so I was gonna do a little cleaning on it. I think it needs to be cleaned up pretty good. So let's do that. Let's give it a little wash. I got my new pressure washer out, and yeah, there it is. So let's put a washing on this truck here and see if we can make it look pretty. All right, well, the the excavator is clean. Everything's looking good. I'm not sure why we quit recording. Let me check on that. I'm not sure what happened. Let it run itself out of gas. And that way there's not, or very little, almost, well, probably none, gasoline left in the bowl to cause problems. All right, well, we'll see how much of that we got. But I washed the Dodge. It's clean. I washed the excavator. It's clean. Okay, so I'm back here on the back of this 2012 Dodge, and we've got these lights. Most of them are not working. The backup lights don't work. A couple of the tail lights don't. The turn signal lights don't work, and I think one of the brake lights don't. Basically, there's like 1 or 2 lights working total. So we're gonna replace those. I got these off of Amazon. It was a whole kit, 6 of them. 6 lights. You got 6 lights here, 2 backups, and 1, turns and brakes. And now the thing about these is they come pre-wired in, which kind of stinks because I had the plug-ins right here, and they would just plug in, but that's not going to work. So I'm gonna have to solder all those up. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna use these guys right here, the little solder heat shrink tube connections. I think those are gonna work, and then we're gonna straighten this bumper here in a minute. This or the back corner of this flatbed here is dented, bent in, and we're gonna try to fix that too. Time. And it's cold. Warming that rubber up softens it up good. I like that. That's good. That's a good little hack right there. That's the new one right there. leave that boot out of that one for right now. It's a little bent, and I want to see it get straightened up. So probably let's straighten that up. All right, that's fixed. Looks good. Yep. I like it. Good lines. Good lines. Straighten everything back up. All right. Let's move on. Well, I guess we should see if these work. Moment of truth. All right. Brake lights work. Turn signals work. All right, running lights work. All right, let's see if they work. Working. I don't think this light is working either. We got the backup lights working. I hope that comes through on the camera. I think it does. With my shadow over it. It was literally just a fuse blown. It's a 20 amp fuse, M31, I think, something like that. And yeah, changed it out, and now they work. And I also replaced the license plate line. Good one now. Okay. Yeah. All the lights are on right there. And let's see. I don't know. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. Yep, she works. Everything, all the lights work. These marker lights over here, they weren't working. They work now. Had to get a couple of new ones. There was no wiring issues really. It was just burned out. They just burned out. So yeah, we got her taken care of. So I got my voltmeter out and I checked, voltage and I was like, man, it's not there, and I got under the truck thinking, the worst. It's the transmission range sensor thing that was out, and that wasn't it. So then I moved up to the fuse thinking, I'll check it. And it was blown. I was like, crazy, can't believe it. So I popped that 20 amp fuse in there, came back here, and they were on. So that was incredible. The other ones probably just shorted out, I guess, and blew the fuse, I hope. These have been on now for a couple of minutes and it doesn't appear to be blowing the fuse now, which these are LED. So, but I've got all the lights running. I'm thinking about getting the resistor to slow the light down to the normal blinking rate, since these are LED. They're not drawing enough voltage, I guess, for the thing to work. I don't know. But I hear that's a deal. I haven't looked into it too hard, but anyway, so all the lights work now, and next thing we got to do is get the decals on the truck here for me. So let's get on that. right, this one's off. I'm gonna go do the other one, and then we'll put the decals on. All right, see you in just a second. All right, here we go. This is driver's side. It's done. The emblem, the decal, DOT number, it's all there. All right, let's do the other side. We'll take a look at the finished product. Okay, other side's done. So there it is. And we're all set up. I got a job tomorrow using it, and we're gonna get to work. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.